Hello and welcome to this month's HeatLine video vlog. This month we're going to talk about a very important part of the RetroLine install process that makes it extremely simple that sometimes goes unrecognized. The RetroLine RetroReel dispensing system is a patented feature of our RetroLine product that allows the installation to be extremely simple even at long lengths. A couple non-obvious features that we should know with the RetroReel: on the top side we have some perforations, which we're going to use later, as well as a pass-through hole for a broom handle or another device to allow simple dispensing of the system. So using this broom handle and two chairs, this is a very typical setup to get the RetroLine in place to begin the dispensing. I've started feeding the RetroLine into the pipe, and as you see here, it's gently coming off of the dispensing reel, which makes it convenient as the system and the cable is held in place as we easily slide it into the pipe. Just at the end of the spool here, I've completed inserting the entire length of RetroLine. At this point, we're going to have those perforations come into play. So these perforations were designed so that you can actually push them in and pull out the RetroLine without having to undo the tabs. Once we have those perforations broken and the RetroLine completely removed, we're going to finish feeding it into the pipe and we'll complete our connections before we finish the system. So next time you're installing a RetroLine system, remember, the RetroReel dispensing system is more than just something for pretty packaging. It serves a purpose to complete the install and sometimes goes unrecognized. We hope you found this video vlog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video vlog monthly, so make sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and following us on Facebook and other social media pages. Thank you for watching.